Welcome. If you've ever been scrolling through Facebook and realize you're seeing too many posts from a certain page, don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to unfollow that page directly from one of their posts using the latest Facebook update on your PC. It's quick, simple, and takes just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home page where all the latest posts appear. Take a moment to scroll through your feed until you find a post from the page you want to unfollow. It can be anything, a picture, a video, or just a regular status update. When you found the post, look toward the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots sitting above the post. That's the options menu. Go ahead and click on it. A list of options will appear, giving you different ways to manage what you see from that page. Now, find and select the option that says Unfollow, followed by the name of the page. For example, it might read Unfollow Travel World or Unfollow Daily Recipes. Once you click that, Facebook will immediately stop showing you new posts from that page in your feed. Don't worry, unfollowing doesn't mean you've unfriended or unliked the page. You'll still be able to visit it anytime and see their content if you choose, but their posts will no longer appear automatically while you're scrolling through. It's a great way to keep your feed clean and focused on what you really want to see. And that's it. You've just unfollowed a page directly from a post without needing to visit the page itself. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your Facebook experience and stay in control of your feed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.